Why aren't your parents rich? Why aren't you going to be rich? Let me show you the data why. A lot of your money is going to go into a pension. Okay, whether you're an employee or whether you are self-employed, it's going to go into a pension. Usually that pension then goes and puts money into funds. And those fat, useless fund managers take the fees and they get rich. So if you want to get rich, become a fund manager, because when that money goes into those funds, guess what? They underperform the market. Do we have any proof of that? Yeah, lots. 84% underperform the market in large cap funds, 71% in mid cap, 89% in multi-cap, and small cap 80%. Pretty consistent underperformance. I mean, these people really are pretty rubbish at their job. Now, why do they underperform? Let me explain to you why. First of all, the job of a fund management company is to take in as much capital as possible through advertisements on the tube, the underground, all the rest of it. And because you give them that money and they get paid on a percentage of the assets that they have under management, their job is to maximize assets under management through advertising, and they have to divide that money into small lots, like a UK income fund, a Japanese growth fund, a Vietnamese, whatever the flavor of the month is. Okay, recently it's been AI this and semiconductor that, but that means they're selecting from a narrow gene pool of stocks. And because they're picking from a narrow gene pool of companies, they've got fewer choices and less likelihood to actually do anything halfway decent. However, you go by the name recognition. Oh, I heard Fidelity mentioned, or St. James's Place, or I heard God knows, crap-a-doodle-doo mentioned, and I'd read in a newspaper article, they're good, and I heard Vietnam mentioned, and AI, and clean energy mentioned. So using name recognition as a shortcut, you dump your life savings and everything you've ever earned to those companies. They take the fees, you underperform. 5 years later, you realize that your portfolio didn't go up the 40% that the markets did, it went up 5%. What to do? Well, nothing. It's too late. 5 years have gone. And then the IFA or the fund manager says to you, hey, don't worry, give us another 5 years. At least you didn't lose too much. That's why you're not going to be rich. It's why your parents aren't rich.